This license frame camera features our high definition lens with automatic night vision. Available in either black or silver, it will fit over any standard license plate. Designed with durability, it is 100% weatherproof, and yes, it will stand up to any aggressive car wash. The night vision is progressive, which means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. This wired backup camera features RCA connections, but for a quicker install, choose the wireless version of this device. It also has an adjustable lens to get you that perfect viewing angle. Finally, like all of our cameras, this too can stay on continuously while driving or pop on when you go in reverse. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!